Part D. The ancestors of C. caica had pigmented bodies. The lack of a colored pigment in C. caica is called albinism and was caused by a mutation many thousands of years ago. Explain the mechanism that has resulted in the allele for albinism becoming common in recent generations in populations of C. caica. In this question, we have to mention 2 points and we have to explain them, because it is an explained question. So the first point we could give is natural selection can cause variation with time. The explanation to this would be that natural selection happens because the ones without pigmented bodies have a better chance of survival. The second point we can give is mutations and alleles. Okay, so if a mutation happened long ago, it'd get passed on through generations. And the third point, which is we don't need to write, but we can write, is that it changes over time. Evolution and natural selection are almost the same, so you can interlink these points. Part 2. State 2 factors that can cause mutations. There are 2 factors over here that I've written. One, viruses, and another, ionizing radiations. If you want to write chemicals or other valid points like this, then you can. But my go-to picks for the answer would be viruses and ionizing radiations. And this is how to do question number 3. And this is gonna give you full 13 marks. Redo. Part D. The ancestors of C. caica had pigmented bodies. The lack of colored pigment in C. caica is called albinism, and it was caused by a mutation many thousand years ago. Okay, now before I do part 1, I'd like to say, if you're enjoying my video, please go down and subscribe. Thank you. Part 1. Explain the mechanism that has resulted in the alleles for albinism becoming common in recent generations in populations of C. caica. Natural selection can cause variation with time. Those without pigmented bodies have better chance of survival. Mutations and alleles get passed on through generations. Changes over time. Redo. Come on, again. Part D. The ancestors of C. caica had pigmented bodies. The lack of a colored pigment in C. caica is called albinism and was caused by a mutation many thousands of years ago. Before we do part 1, I'd like to say, if you found my video helpful till now, then please go down and subscribe. Thank you. Part 1. Explain the mechanism that has resulted in the allele for albinism becoming common in recent generations in populations of C. caica. Natural selection can cause variation with time is the first point. Now, natural selection can cause variation with time is 1 point, okay? So that is going to give you 1 mark. The second mark you'll get when you explain this point. So those without pigmented bodies have a better chance of survival, okay? So this will give you your second mark. Now, you can even link this to changes over time, or evolution basically. And you'd get the second and third mark. So the third mark you'd get for explaining mutations and alleles get passed on through generations. So you could say, if there was a mutation in the parents of an offspring, and they reproduced, and so the mutation got passed on from generations onwards through the offspring, and this caused the variation. And because of this, they do not have pigmented bodies anymore. Part 2. State 2 factors that can cause mutations. I've written 2 factors here for you.